Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer money from your Chime to Navy Federal. First, open the Chime app and log in to your account. Tap Move Money at the bottom of the screen. Then select Transfer Money. Link your Navy Federal account if you haven't already. You can use the Secure Played option to log in instantly or enter your routing and account number manually. Choose Chime as the From account and Navy Federal as the To account. Enter the amount, review the details, and tap Confirm Transfer to complete. And that's it. Your money will move from Chime to Navy Federal. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.